Welcome! In this video, we'll focus on the issue of leaving a company. We can differentiate between the voluntary resignation, retirement, layoffs, and dismissal. Resignation happens when an employee leaves a company, usually after finding other job. As a rule, he expects a letter of reference, which is a condition to get a new job. It is an obligatory document to be presented to a new employer. An employee can be harassed by his current employer that in case she leaves the company, he won't receive the letter. So this is an ethical issue for a manager and refers to his honesty in the assessment of the former employee and the willingness to communicate this assessment. Retirement is a normal state of facts and means that after a period of working life, you are retiring. Sometimes it is compulsory at the age lower than the law expects. For instance, in many countries it is at the age of 67 or 70 for retirement, and in some industries it can be set even lower. University professors are forced to stop their activity at 70, which not always makes sense, especially in a profession not requiring physical strength. Such a caesura creates moral issues in professions in which experience and maturity may be of importance. One of it is a negative impact on person's health when he is forced to stop working after 70, especially in some vocational professions in which job is a part of one's identity. There is much research on this topic. An interesting interview was made with a Japanese worker who was working almost until the age of 100. He advised to work as long as possible in order to achieve longevity. Layoffs, they are a result of technical and financial considerations. Nowadays, in the time of coronavirus pandemic, there is a lot of layoffs. This is not only a company problem, but it is a question which waits for a response on the institutional and state level. This subject matter will be discussed in the module 9, where we will deal with ethical issues of government and global system policy. Dismissal is often the result of poor performance and sometimes a disciplinary action. This may happen if an employee has problems with the law, drugs, and alcohol. Both dismissal and lack of dismissal may be ethical issues. The Polish movie Claire 2018 expresses a critical voice about the clergyman, showing some priests who weren't dismissed even after breaking the law, pedophilia, but only moved to another place. Such a procedure has had a negative impact on the whole organization and ended up in a series of processes. Thank you for your attention.